Here we are again. Happy Valentine's Day. It's 6 o'clock here at Lake Nockamixon.
Nockamixon.
Something like that. But we're making fire. This is for my coworkers at the hospital. And we're making coffee on the fire. And I think it's like, what is it, like 14 degrees?
I think Jimmy needs to make a correction on that, though. I'm not a co-worker.
I don't know.
I don't work with him.
Yeah, but that's all right. It can't be perfect. But we're making coffee. And if you want to come by and have some, come down here to Lake Nockamixon? Something like that. Peace out.